Grizzly bears are not killers. Their instincts are.
What's going on, Ryan?
Well, it's Saturday evening. It's our first night in, and there's bear tracks all the way in. Big old pile of bear dump, and our barrel's almost empty. So we're gonna sit tonight, and
16 yards from the blind, or from the bait. That's not how we left the bait barrel. They've got it torn up. So
we need more bait.
We're gonna shut down, quit talking for a while. Hopefully the next time you hear from us, it's because there's a bear.
Huh?
He's running up the hill.
The day we got here, it was still dark. We were waiting for light sitting here, and Brutus was on the bait. And first we couldn't tell if it was him or not. It was too dark. So we just sat here waiting. Pretty soon it got light enough that we could see, and he saw him walk down. He come down into the trees over here by those pines. Came up out of the trees across this trail, right over here into that little clearing for just a couple seconds, busted through there. We never did get a shot at him there, so we ran up here over the ridge. Got a crack at him at 110 yards. Pretty strong quarter and away shot, but not a bad shot, first opportunity. Since then, he's just gone back to eating at night. So hopefully we can get him out during the day, get another one at him.
It's early. We're heading up the hill. Say hi.
Hi.
Alright, let's do it.
I heard him crash down there.
He's done. Good shot, dude.
I think it might be.
Should have hit him.
He's rolling down the hill, buddy.
Down the hill, dude.
Boom! Yes! He's rolling down the hill.
He's rolling down the hill, dude.
Boom! Yeah!
Fucking A, Eddie. Give me a fucking high five, dude. Woo!
About 5:20. Bear just come across this trail, got him over there. I think I put a good shot on him. These guys said they saw him roll down in the trees, and he crashed in the trees there for a while. It's been about 40 minutes or so. We're going to slowly work around, get up above, try to blast down in there, see if we can find him.
He's down there somewhere.
Now it gets scary. I've never done this before.
It's fun.
There it gets exciting. Right on. He had to be right here. What you got? Oh yeah. Yeah.
Pretty decent.
Yeah.
Better. Oh yeah, there's one.
Good. He's down here somewhere, dude. Wait. There he is. Yep. I see him. Scope him, Ed. Hang on, bud.
Sorry, Carlito.
That's Carlos.
Hey, it's all good, bro.
Yeah. You got your bear, Ed.
5:20 this morning, 5:30, somewhere right in there. We were sitting up on the saddle. We walked in, heading to the bait, and we got him. He crashed into these trees up here. Up in the thick stuff, we pulled him out. Taking little pictures, thanking God. We're about to start work.
Pretty bear.
Very
Yeah, he's
Pretty
gonna be
little
cool.
guy.
nice, dude.
This teeth